In a vibrant studio, bathed in light, an energetic host stands center stage, heralding a new era for students with Perplexity AI. With infectious enthusiasm, the host proclaims, "Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today, we're diving into a tool that's revolutionizing how students tackle homework and research, Perplexity AI." In a brightly lit studio, a host gestures enthusiastically, ready to unveil the magic of Perplexity AI. The AI Yayon, real-time web results, ACLs, magic text illuminates on the screen behind the host. The host proclaims, "Perplexity AI is an AI-powered research assistant, similar to ChatGPT, but with Google-like sourcing." In a brightly lit studio, anticipation hangs in the air as the host initiates a live demonstration of Perplexity AI. With a flourish, the host types, "What caused the French Revolution?" into the search bar, setting the stage for an instant display of AI prowess. The screen erupts with summarized results and clickable sources, showcasing Perplexity AI's swift and comprehensive response. A text overlay proclaims, "Perfect for essays, projects, and quick revision," underscoring the AI's utility and versatility. In the brightly lit studio, the host stands center stage, ready to reveal the clarity of Perplexity AI. The host proudly declares, "Perplexity AI gives direct answers without ads or distractions, promising a streamlined search experience." The host continues, "It saves you time and provides reliable information," emphasizing the practical benefits of Perplexity AI. A split screen dramatically showcases Perplexity AI's clean, concise answer versus Google's chaotic, ad-filled search results. In a brightly lit studio, the host warmly encourages the audience to explore the transformative capabilities of Perplexity AI. The screen dramatically shifts to a call to action, compelling viewers to engage, share, and subscribe, while prominently featuring a direct link to Perplexity AI. As outro music fills the air, the animated channel logo dances across the screen, signaling the end of the presentation with a final visual flourish.